Today I'm going to be showing you a video of my cars in Trevor's garage. And this is my first video on YouTube, so don't put me in comments. First I got the Audi. I put the spoiler, blue tire smoke. That's all I had enough money for right then. And then I got the adder. Put matte red, yellow tire smoke, black stripes. Then I got the Sand King. I didn't put any on that. Okay, so sure you want to see how they drive. First up, I'm going to show you the Audi. Wow, I'm a bad driver. Not sure it's impressive. Got my driving skills all filled up. Okay, there's my Audi. This is my adder. Maybe it was I got my driving skills all filled up with the adder, because this is a smoother car to drive in. Wow. Then we got the Sand King XL. I think it is coming up. Okay, let's get in this bad boy. I used to have a chopper motorcycle in here. I don't know what happened to it. Just had it earlier. I'm gonna see if I can drift in this. So far, no. Wait, yeah, you can actually. You just crashed in my Sand King. What are you doing over here? What are you doing? Okay, good. Stay with it. Sorry, sorry, my phone just dropped. I have to get it all back in place again. Okay. Hey everybody, that was my video. I will see you guys next time.